guys, so I'm gonna first shadow that I'm gonna go into is this shadow right here, and this is let's see, hold on, Hunts. This one is called Hunts, and the next shadow that I'm gonna go into would be this shadow here. It's called Creamsicle, this one right here, and then the last shadow that I'm gonna go into is hold on, this one at the bottom. It's called Chip. Just want you guys to see what shadows I'm using in case you have this palette and you want to, you know, recreate this look and stuff like that. Also, if you recreate this look, definitely go ahead and tag me on Instagram. If you're not following me on Instagram, just you can go over there and do it right now. Say hi, say I sent you, say you've seen my video, and you just want to, you know, drop me a line. All right? So I'm going to go ahead. Y'all, I'm telling you, I'm in a zone right now. And
hello, gorgeous. Good evening and welcome back to another video. It's been a minute since I did one of these things, you know, voiceover. So let's just jump right on into the video. Today I'm using the Jaclyn Hill and Morphe eyeshadow palette, and I've just decided to do a voiceover because I really needed to just get into the zone. And I was also listening to some music because I really had a really good day and I just wanted to keep the vibe going. So I popped on some music from one of my favorite Jamaican artists, who's Popcorn, and I was just, you know, letting it flow and feeling the vibe. So yes, yeah, so I'm just gonna go in with the first shadow, which I believe is called Hunts, and I'm just gonna blend that out. That's gonna be my first color, and then I'm gonna go in with Creamsicle as my secondary color. I'm going to use that to blend out Hunts, and yeah, we're just going to keep that going and blend it out, and you guys are going to see me go back and forth with that, just to make sure that the colors are, you know, just laying right and perfectly blended. And now, guys, I am using Chip, and I'm going to use that to deepen the first transition color and just to kind of like carve out where I'm going to be cutting the crease later on. So I suggest, if you guys don't have this palette, then I suggest you guys try it out. It's like, I love the colors, and you can definitely travel with this. It's very travel friendly. The only thing, it doesn't have a mirror, but it's alright. Yes, so I'm going to go in and I'm just going to add that color in there and just deepen it. You guys are going to see me go back and forth to add more colors, and I'm going to go in and blend it out as I go, and then I'm going to go back into Hunts and keep blending it out. Now I'm cutting my crease with one of the concealers from the Loreal Infallible, my apologies, Loreal Infallible concealer, and I'm going to go in with that and cut my crease. And I did mess up a little bit here, but as you can see that I did not let that stop me. I just kept it going, and I was feeling the music. So I started adding colors before I even set or add my color on top of that. So if you notice that I went in with Hunts, and I just kind of like made a boo-boo, but I didn't let that stop me. I just kept going. So y'all, if you love this look, let me know in the comment section down below, and follow me on all socials at Msblackempress. And yeah, say hi, don't be shy, you know. So I'm going to go back and forth and blend that out, and then now I'm just using my NYX Matte Liner. I'm not doing a wing, I'm just going to outline the top of my eye and apply my lashes. Add some mascara from MAC. This is waterproof mascara. It's the hardest thing to get off, waterproof mascara. But I use a cleanser and it works perfectly. And now I'm gonna go out and just use the I think it was chip to smoke out the bottom of my eyes.
Alright guys, so this is the final look, y'all. Anyways, we're gonna jump right into the face. First of all, I am going to prime my face with the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. I've had this for about a year now, if not a year and a half. So I'm gonna give this a good shake because I haven't used it in quite some time, baby. So I'm gonna give it a good shake. And then I'm gonna put a little bit on my face, not a whole lot because I ain't really going anywhere and it's like 1:30 in the morning. So this is the Beauty Blender foundation Bounce, and I am in the shade 4.35 Warm. Oh dang. I'm gonna go in with my beauty sponge and I am going to blend that out. It is like matched to perfection. I mean, off camera, like. And this foundation, y'all, is, you can use this foundation on any skin type. If you have oily skin, you can definitely use this foundation. I have dry skin, and look at this. It is just gliding. It's just like, and I only use like 2 pumps. You just need 1 pump if possible. You know, I got a big face, so. Bro, I am so in love with this foundation, y'all. On the website, I use my Fenty foundation to color match myself, and in this foundation I am 410, and in the other one I am also 410. So I don't know if there's supposed to be a difference or if it was designed to be that way, but however it was meant to be, that's how it is. But yeah, y'all, this foundation, I can't even stop with the blending because it's just like perfect. It's like perfect, like the perfect match for the perfect girl. Like who can come for me? Who can come for me? So I'm gonna go in with the L'Oreal Infallible Concealer, and I'm gonna go in with I have both Almond and Walnut. I'm actually gonna go in with Almond first. All right, guys, so I'm gonna be using my Juvia's Place powder. All right, guys, so I'm gonna go in with my bronzer, and I'm gonna be using the Fenty bronzer in Coco. Just add a little color, little, you know what I'm saying, nothing too crazy. I'm gonna go back into the palette, y'all, and I'm gonna take the first transition color and I'm going to smoke out the lower part of my eye. I've already went in with the deeper color, guys, and I'm just smoking out the bottom part. All right, so I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna set my face first of all, and I'm gonna be using a couple of setting spray. I'm gonna be using first the Morphe, what is this? The Morphe Luminous setting spray. I love this spray, y'all. Next, I'm using the Fenty setting spray. What is this one called? This one is Baby What to Do. So I take some powder on a brush and I just kind of go over the perimeter of my lips. And then I go in with the lip liner. I don't overdraw my lips because lips are beautiful. There they are. I'm gonna go in with NYX Abu Dhabi, and then I'm gonna go in with the Butter Gloss Cinnamon Roll. And finally, I'm gonna go over it with a gloss. You can use any clear gloss that you like. And then I'm just gonna this is my OG, y'all. This is the Wet n Wild crown of my canopy. And then I just go in with her and she just butters me up, like, yes, she just, and I just go in and I fan it on my nose. You know what I'm saying? Just give her a little buzz, you know what I'm saying? And lastly, I'm gonna pop in some inner corner highlight. Y'all know how I am mad extra. I just love these two shimmers right here from the Juvia's Place Tri Palette. I'm not gonna go in with the shiny one, just a little golden shimmer, and I'm just gonna pop her right there. And this one is Chago. And then to set everything and hold it, okay, so she ain't moving, going nowhere, I'm gonna go in with the Makeup Forever, what is this one? Miss and Fix. Just one pump because she spits. All right, guys, I'm going to be right back. I love y'all.